Wanda the witch is at home.
Oh, where's my cat and my glasses?
Aha! The witch can see. The rat takes the cat's place.
Oh, where's my cat? Come on, kitty.
The rat is thirsty.
Can I have some milk? Yes, of course, kitty. There's some milk in the bottle.
The rat is hungry.
Can I have some fish? Yes, of course, kitty. There's some fish on the plate.
The rat is still hungry.
Can I have some chicken? Yes, of course, kitty. There's some chicken in the fridge. Wait a minute.
Wanda opens the fridge and fills her glasses.
Oh, good! It's my glasses. Where's my chicken? Ah, you're a rat, not a cat. Get out! No, where's my cat? Kitty! Kitty!
Wanda the witch is at home.
Oh, where's my cat? And my glasses? Ah, the witch can see.
The rat takes the cat's place.
Meow, meow. Oh, it's my cat. Come on, kitty.
The rat is thirsty.
Can I have some milk?
Yes, of course, kitty. There's some milk in the bottle. Here you are. The rat is hungry.
Can I have some fish?
Yes, of course, kitty. There's some fish on the plate. Here you are. The rat is still hungry.
Can I have some chicken?
Yes, of course, kitty. There's some chicken in the fridge. Wait a minute. Wanda opened the fridge and filled my glasses.
Oh, good. My glasses.
Now Wanda can see.
Where are my chicken? Ah, you are a rat, no a cat. Get out. Now, where's my cat? Kitty? Kitty!
Wanda the witch is at home.
Where's my cat and my glasses? Aha! The witch comes see.
The rat takes the cat's place.
Meow. Meow. Oh, it's my cat. Come on, kitty. Come on.
The rat is thirsty.
Can I have some milk? Yes, of course, kitty. There's some milk in the bottle.
The rat is hungry.
Can I have some fish? Yes, of course, kitty. There's some fish on the plate.
The rat is still hungry.
Can I have some chicken? Yes, of course, kitty. There's some chicken in the fridge. Wait a minute.
Wanda opens the fridge and finds her glasses.
Oh, good, my glasses.
Now Wanda can see. Where's my chicken? Ah! It's a rat, not a cat. Where's my cat? Kitty! Kitty!
When the witch is at home.
Oh, where's my Scott on the glasses? Aha, the witch can see.
The rat takes the cat place.
Meow, meow. Oh, it's my cat. Come on, Kitty.
The rat is thirsty.
Can I have some milk? Yes, of course, Kitty. Yes. There's some milk in the bottle.
The rat is hungry.
Can I have some fish? Yes, of course, Kitty. There's a fish on the plate.
The rat is still hungry.
Can I have some chicken? Yes, of course. There's some chicken in the fridge.
Wanda opens the fridge and her glasses.
Oh, good. How many glasses?
No window can't see.
Where's my chicken? Ah! Little rat, not the cat. Get down. Now, for my cup. Kitty, Kitty.
Wanda the witch is at home.
Oh, where's my cat and my glasses? Aha, the witch can see.
The rat takes the cat's place.
Meow, meow. Oh, it's my cat. Come on, Kitty.
The rat is thirsty.
Can I have some milk? Yes, of course, Kitty. There's some milk in the bottle. Here you are.
The rat is hungry.
Can I have some fish? Yes, of course, Kitty. There's some fish on the plate. Here you are.
The rat is still hungry.
Can I have some chicken? Yes, of course, Kitty. There's some chicken in the fridge. Wait a minute.
Wanda opened the fridge and hid her glasses.
Oh, good, my glasses.
No, Wanda can see.
Where's my chicken? Ah, you are a rat, not a cat. Get out. And now, where's my cat? Kitty, Kitty.
Wanda the witch at home.
Oh, my cat and my cat. Aha, the witch can see.
The rat takes the cat's place.
Wow, that's a cat. Come on, Kitty.
The rat is thirsty.
Can I have some milk? Yes, Kitty. There's some milk in the bottle.
The rat is hungry.
Can I have some fish? Yes, of course, Kitty. There's some fish on the plate.
The rat is still hungry.
Can I have some chicken? Yes, Kitty. There's some chicken in the fish.
Wanda opens the fridge and her glasses.
Oh, good. My glasses.
No, Wanda can see.
What is my chicken? Look, No, it's a cat. Hello. Wow, this cat. Kitty, kitty. Wanda David is a home.
Oh, where is my cat and my glasses?
Aha! The wings can see.
The shark plays, the cat plays.
Meow, meow.
Oh, it's my cat. Come on, kitty.
The shark is thirsty.
Can we have some milk?
Yes, of course, kitty. There's all milk in the bottle.
The shark is hungry.
Can we have some fish?
Yes, of course, kitty. There's some fish in the plate. Here you are.
The shark is still hungry.
Can we have some chicken?
Yes, of course, kitty. There's some chicken in the fridge. One family.
Wanda opens the fridge and hides the glasses.
Oh, good, my glasses.
Now Wanda can see.
Where's my chicken?
Ah, you are a rat, no a cat. Get down. Now, where's my cat? Kitty, kitty.
Wanda the witch is at home. Oh, where's my cat and my glasses? Aha, the witch can see. The rat takes, the cat plays. Meow, meow. Oh, it's a cat. Come on, kitty. The rat is thirsty. Can I have some milk? Yes, of course. There's some milk in the bottle. The rat is hungry. Can I have some fish? Yes, of course, kitty. There's some fish on the plate. Here. The rat is still hungry. Can I have some chicken? Yes, of course, kitty. There's some chicken in the fridge. Wait a minute. Wanda opened the fridge and her first glasses. Oh, good, my glasses. Now Wanda can see. Where's my chicken? No puedo. Ah! You're a rat, not a cat. Get out! Now, what's my cat? Kitty! Kitty!